Collaboration is a key aspect of the design process, and SOLIDWORKS introduces some fantastic new capabilities for communicating ideas and sharing models. As we dig into this massive CHS observatory, you can see a great deal of detail, and not all is necessary at the upper levels of the design. For instance, this hoist assembly could be simplified as there is no need for this much detail in this application. Communicating the need to simplify this assembly is often done by taking screen captures, marking them up, and emailing them to stakeholders. While effective, this workflow is not ideal, especially when working on projects this complex. To aid in this collaborative process, SOLIDWORKS 2019 allows you to directly add markups to parts and assemblies using a touch device. These markups are stored with the model and can be exported as a PDF to communicate outside of the design community. This markup says there is too much detail and should be simplified. To quickly simplify this assembly, we'll use the DeFeature tool, which has been greatly enhanced to provide more control of the simplification and create highly simplified assemblies. The new DeFeature tool provides many simplification methods. For these 5 parts, the Copy Geometry option will be selected, which provides no simplification, with the preview window providing feedback as we go. In SOLIDWORKS 2019, the Select Identical tool is now available inside of Commands and can be used to select the rail wheels and studs as well as the spool, end plate, and motor. Parts can be selected for simplification as well as individual bodies, and we can quickly simplify these items to a cylinder. For the nuts, brackets, and terminal box, the Polygon Outline Simplification method will be used. This method uses the part geometry to calculate a best fit polygon for the chosen items. And finally, for the motor, a tight fit outline will be used. An orientation can be chosen to calculate the direction of the silhouette, or the multiple directions option can be chosen, and a face or plane can be selected as a second direction for definition. Once satisfied with the simplification, the DeFeatured model can be saved to a new document with a link to the original, or component suppliers can upload directly to 3D Content Central to be shared on the web with millions of designers and engineers. This DeFeatured model is much better suited for the top-level assembly. Communicating design ideas has never been easier with the new 3D markups and the enhanced DeFeature tools in SOLIDWORKS 2019. Help users share their models and protect their intellectual property.